Alam niyo guys, everything happened for a reason. Kung ano man yung nangyayari sa iyong buhay, that is a part of a process that you can accept it as a part of your challenge in life. The one thing you can do is trust the Lord with all your heart and with all your mind and strength. That is the best way to achieve our goals in life. Huwag tayong susuko agad-agad because at the end of the day, kapag meron kang pananampalataya sa ating Panginoong Diyos, everything will be okay. Yun lang naman kasi yung ano ng tao. Learn how to wait, for the presence of the Lord. Sabi nga, lahat ng bagay kasi na nararanasan natin ay kalooban ng Lord. Ang kailangan lang natin gawin is tanggapin ng buong puso, ng buong isip, at ng buong lakas natin. Never give up. Kasi yan ang natutunan ko sa buhay na kapag may problema, learn how to face it. Huwag nating talikuran. Yan yung isang lesson na naranasan ko before na ngayon ay itinatama natin na kailangan maging strong tayo. No, maging strong tayo to face whatever trials or circumstances that we encounter every day of our lives. Kaya nga, andyan si Lord. No? He guide us and we are uh, intend to to come with the Lord every day. No, have faith on Him. No, we're not perfect. Just learn how to admit, and accept. Pag nagkamali ka, nagkasala ka, aminin mo sa harapan ng Panginoong Diyos. God is willing to forgive us and to cleanse our sins. Ganyan si Lord sa atin. Mabiyaya yung grasya ng Panginoon. Kaya naman, tayo din. No? Learn how to be humble enough. Sabi nga, submit yourself to the Lord and He will draw near to you naman. Lalapit at lalapit si Lord sa'yo kapag talagang na-recognize mo siya. Kasi nowadays, maraming tao hindi nire-recognize ang Lord. Hindi lumalapit sa Lord, nananahan siya sa sarili niyang kakayanan. Kaya nga anong sinasabi ng salita ng Lord in Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5, trust in the Lord with all your heart, no? Kaya buong puso na tayo magtitiwala kay Lord. No? Ano man yang mangyari sa atin, sa iyo, basta kasama mo ang Lord, nothing is impossible. Good morning everyone. God bless us all.